Hi everybody, you're wanting to go paperless this year. Here's how to set up a foolproof digital assessment system. Okay, you can see I'm in my Google Drive. You might be in your Microsoft OneDrive. It's pretty much of a muchness. I need to create folders to share with the students. Nikki Pooley, Katikati College, said to me, it's so much easier this way because then you have control over the folders. I used to get students to share a folder with me, ended in disaster. So instead, we're creating folders to share with the students. First, I'm going to set up my 13 English class. I like to put my school initials, you don't have to. There it is there. Right click on it and I get all my colors for my assessment folders, as you can see there, and star it as well so that I have easy access through the starred system and I can find things easily. Right, now I have to set up a folder in here for each of my students. So new folder, and my first student is Fab Student. Put it under the student's name so that they all drop down in alphabetical order later on in your drive. Create. There it is there. Now I'm going to share that folder with the student. And remember, in your school system, you only need to bring up the first 3 letters pretty much, and you'll get a drop-down box with the email address in it. Make sure they've got editing rights. Write them a note if you like, and then push send. Okay, so now you can see with the little person in the folder that's been shared. When students get into class, I will show them how to set up folders for each of their achievement standards or unit standards within that English folder. There is a video tutorial on how to do that if you wanted to play that to the class to make things easier. Otherwise, I hope the system works well for you.